Ar Maidin Moch is Leabain Bhoig Shachuling Kjolnen Mar Shamini O bechor damdal Amusgeistig Chan fair shadowful shilom Sakait nacht Sikira felt gorek an Hulenlik O bevrakrat Non aller Rachnisk Is Machrida Kiri No da iriti Came tir Got pass Den ve Nu tut lianaylik Achter driach des breed Is Ragnarak An trein nu tu der jahag Grach levis kjun Nu nish da kailak le Nu tun vandarak Le holakrat Untulo amiyet Nitzvavantelt Obevrakrat Nan schnachte erchnak Lekidein Maragisha O time bedurte me Snimuare mahas On benach Fosin she Gan fjoling hu Snin lad banas bre Ach tom morram Le hog vnias Ongoorse nacht refere Thank you. Muireann Nic Amhlaoibh. Thank you. Honor Anna Vorda of Erin Stáit. It's such a huge honor. It's my first time performing on this stage. And I'm so delighted to be part of the Irish Traditional Music Archives Drawing from the Well series. And for all of us here tonight, there's an amazing group of musicians all waiting to play for you later on. It's been such an enriching experience to take part in the Drawing from the Well, because these are musicians or particular parts of our tradition that we were curious about, but that possibly we hadn't fully explored. And that song that I sang for you there was Ar Maidin Moch Leabain Bhoig, and it was composed by Muireann Nic Amhlaoibh, one of our only female poets from the 18th century that we still know about, from County Cork. And it was a song sung by the late great Sean de Hora, who was a neighbour of mine, and he lived from 1908 to 1989. So I was only a small child when he died. I knew his family, but I didn't know Sean as anything other than the neighbour and not the great singer that he was. So for me, it's been really an eye-opening and enriching experience, as I said, to learn about his singing, to speak with his family, with all the neighbours that knew him. Agus chaula mí san erid san miall an bhar ní bháin an cumas ceoil a bhí aige a chan nuas sin an cináltacht a bhí aige cecho síbhialtas a bhí sé, cecho deisbhéalachas a bhí sé, bhí am again den na héine, and all the farmers loved him and the fishermen loved him. If you were in trouble, he was the man they went to. And Sean O'Riordan lived with him for quite a while, and Sean's opinion was that Sean de Hora was one of our greatest composers, and that really struck me, because what he was doing with the songs in essence was recomposing them, changing them up, and that song I just sung there was one that I went into the nitty-gritty of, and I tried to sing it a little bit like Sean did, with the changing of notes and the hanging on a word and the throwing in of the O's and the achs and just making it his own. And I think that's a part of West Kerry singing as well, a little bit, that we're quite free with them. And it's my great honour as well that Muireann Beagley are here tonight as well, and we'll be honouring our dearly departed friend Seamus Begley as well. So Benach Dalish. Ar Maidin San Thorna Árán Hagam on Bínsín Luachra is Sanam the Shaw. In English, this is sometimes known as the bunch of rushes, the bonny bunch of rushes, or the bonny bunch of roses, or the bench of rushes. And, well, there's a metaphor in this. It sounds like a beautiful love song, but there's a darkness to it, like there is in so many of our songs. And the man is wanting to steal the girl's rushes, and she's begging him not to, and he said he won't tell anyone, so we won't dwell too much about what that's about. But, you know, there's only so much you could say back in the day, and I think they said a lot of things in song. So, seo an Bínsín Luachra. Agus gur míle maith agaibh go léir. Oh, the bias modern evening, Bínsín Bhoig na trá, scanning your gum, no meaning. Ach, me queen of my Maidin Moch, Noirech Naxa home Elini, Marbech Wilon Nulung Snov, Skapta Squeaky Nic Amhlaoibh Is the Chanaxa Mercuti Salagas humanusi istir mille pog Sheduchi pray in a wasel Tog swas is no nusro Snasrak movin Luachra Nature waters the Hanro Is a Khalin vina Luachra Glaxweinas is van Gorik Nikos it Agnus is too Latin. Masteracus the Luachra Nis Dwagavila Kid Vurdohish Nagis Buena Nagus walch moar mar helele Is a Khalin vina Luachra Nadigasa davar nerlor Filub nakla kravi Shinigestacht lagakulon O sagart nivach skelet Noin elagavaig mebos Nugadiak ikeinst dan gjershach Nisgon poch an land of Bon. Ar Maidin Moch.